This question belonged to the year 2021 ECET paper from the topic engineering mechanics. So question is like 5 forces, each of magnitude 20 Newton, are acting at a point in the same plane. If the angle between them is same, then the resultant of these forces is dash. So 5 forces are acting in this plane and all the forces are separated by the same angle. So if that is the case, then the total angle subtended between the 5 forces is 360 divided by 5, which is equal to 72 degrees. So the angle between each of the force is 72 degrees. So if we are able to form a closed polygon using all these vectors, then the resultant will be equal to 0. So let me just check it. This was the horizontal force, and correspondingly on the head of that we'll place the force F2. Let's say this is F1, this is F2, and this would be F3. So F3 is up left, and this will be F4, which is down, and F5. So here you can see the formation of closed polygon. If such is the case, then the resultant will be equal to 0. Option D is the answer.